Hi, this is Kay from Spirit Walker Crystals, and today we're going to talk about these crystal grids that we've got. We use these an awful lot in healing, but they're also good for cleansing your crystals as well. So what you get in your pack is you get six crystal points here, plus you get a generator point in the middle, which is a cut-based crystal. And that generates the energy, and then you put an extra one in just in case you haven't got a wand, and it does come complete with instructions as well, which I'll show you over here. So this will be in your pack, and here you can see that it tells you about putting your points inwards and how to put your points outwards, and it does actually show you which way the arrows go to actually create your grid. Okay, but I'm going to show you in person here. So you take your wand and you channel the energy down through the top of your head, down towards your heart chakra, back up over your shoulders and down your arms and into your hands. From your hands it goes directly into the point there. So then you imagine that there is a laser beam coming out of the end of your point here. Okay, so you take your wand and you connect it up to this point here, and you imagine that you're drawing a laser beam going from this point directly to the point in the middle, and then you bring it back. Bring it up here to this point, into the middle and back, up to the next point, into the middle and back. So you're forming like little triangles. So you go to each individual one, take it up to the middle and go back to that same point. Take it to the next one, until you've gone all the way around. And then you imagine that you've got all these laser beams and you're connecting it to this point here and raising the energy upwards. So you're kind of making a little tent. And you can place these around the outside of your room or the outside of a therapy bed. Or you can do it both and have two grids within the room. They come in small, medium and large. And we have tried to price them as best as we can to be as economically viable for you as we can actually make it. Okay, so the other thing that you can do with it, with this particular grid, is you can use it to charge and energize your crystals. So if we take the points out a little bit so that we've got a little bit of room, and we put some crystals in the middle as well. So let's pop these ones in here that I've actually got on my desk there. Lovely bit of Super 7 there. Okay, so if I wanted to, if I had just bought these from somewhere that wasn't as conscientious as perhaps what we are here, and you wanted to take all the negative programming or anything out from your crystals, you can turn all your points the other way. So you turn in your points away from your crystals, and then you're going to take your point and just rotate it 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, and then that will discharge. You leave it for about 6 to 12 hours, and that will discharge any energy from within your crystals. So when you then want to reprogram them, you just tell them exactly what you want to be using them for, and then we're going to re-energize them. So we're going to turn our points back around. And again, we're going to use her wand to actually circle this 3 times to actually re-energize the grid. So there you have it. These are our lovely crystal energy grids. As I said, come in 3 sizes, small, medium and large. And if you have any more questions or you want to know any more, please do follow us at spiritwalkercrystalshop.co.uk, where we do have web chat where you can ask us any questions. Thank you.